Hello and welcome to CKE 10,001's gaming channel. In this video we'll be unboxing Goblin Slayer Weiss Schwarz Trial Deck Plus English Edition. So here we have the front of the box, the sides, back of the box. You can get a signed Priestess card. Alright, now let's take a look inside. So we'll get rid of the tape on each of the sides here. Alright, that's first side done. Get the other side. Alright. Open up the box. Okay. We have the playmat, the rule sheet. As of January 31st, 2020, shows the Goblin Slayer cards here. And now to look at the cards. Okay, the first card we have is Earth Mother's Disciple Priestess, the foiled version. Hey, sorry about that. My memory card ran out of memory. Had to delete some stuff, but we can continue now again. So the first card you get is Earth Mother's Disciple Priestess, SR foiled version. You get a foiled He Who Slays Goblins Goblin Slayer, the level 1 combo for the trial deck. You get 2 copies of Brave Girl Cowgirl, bonds to Quiet Consideration Goblin Slayer. 4 copies of Concealed Tactics Goblin Slayer. 3 non-foiled versions of He Who Slays Goblins Goblin Slayer. The vanilla 105500 attack power they can bond to. 2 copies of the 1/1 Merciless Actions Goblin Slayer. 2 copies of Like a Parent Goblin Slayer. Mask Figure's Name Goblin Slayer. 2 copies. 2 Torches event cards. 3 copies of Rhythmical Extermination, the salvage trigger, character salvage. 2 charge climax. So I believe it is a red stock charge and 1 soul. 3 copies of Unnoticed Beauty Guild Girl. 2 copies of One's Own Will Priestess. 2 copies of Adventurer Female Mage. 2 copies of Adventurer Swordsman. 2 copies of Adventurer Female Martial Artist. 2 copies of Flames Source Priestess. 2 copies of Like a Child Priestess. 2 copies of Light That Exposes Chaos Priestess. On play, you get 1k power for each equal the number of order characters you have. And then this is a generic big healer, level 3, Merciless Priestess. 2 +2 soul blue climaxes. And this area should be the area that you can possibly get a SR, RRR version of the trial deck card, or maybe a sign. So this is Unnoticed Beauty Guild Girl, the other copy. Merciless Priestess, the second copy. Earth Mother's Disciple Priestess. Oh, and we got a RRR climax, Rhythmical Extermination. So unfortunately it's not the signed card, but we did get something. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.